Hello dear subscribers, the Alta. So how to fix problem when you see like this one, you just want to install macOS, and when you just tap on next and you just choose tap on accept, and when you see only 2 disks and also I have third one, so I want to install macOS on it. So how we can also fix that? So just go back here, you just need to tap on cancel. So now you just need to go to disk utility, just open it, and here you just need to, here you can see my disk, and we just need to format it. So let's just tap on and just write name of it. So for example, new, and now just tap on add button. So here you can see that we successfully just format our disk, and here you can see that also it's in format we just needed. So now you can also just tap on install and just tap on next. So now we will see this disk. Just tap on next. Here you just need to tap on accept. Here just choose, and here you can see my disk. So everything's work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.